For this demo, we've built Spade, a fraud detection system that can identify fraudulent activity in transaction graphs in real time. First, we have our main page, where we display real-time reports of various fraud cases. Users can select datasets, choose Spade's built-in algorithms, and set the batch size for batch processing. After the user clicks on Load Graph, the transaction network is visualized on the canvas below. We have integrated G6 to visualize the entire transaction network. When the user clicks on Static Algorithm, the dataset, algorithm, and batch processing parameters are sent to the Spade engine, which detects fraud communities on the current graph. By clicking on Incremental Algorithm, users can enable Spade to receive new transactions in real time and detect fraud communities incrementally. Spade updates the visualization of new fraudsters in real time, allowing users to intuitively identify fraudulent users and related transactions. At the bottom of the page, we provide a summary of the current detection as well as the ID, type, and amount of fraud for each individual. We also offer buttons for moderators to inspect the fraudulent user's transaction relationships and structural information in the transaction network. Moderators can zoom in, zoom out, and drag on the canvas to more clearly and intuitively judge the fraudulent user's transaction behavior. We also tested another Spade built-in algorithm called Frauder on an industrial dataset Grab 0. Next, we will demonstrate how to define a new peeling algorithm in Spade. Users only need to provide a vsusp function for vertices and an esusp function for edges. By clicking the Compile button, Spade will generate the corresponding peeling algorithm and automatically adjust it to adapt to dynamic graphs. When the page is refreshed, users will see a new algorithm named UDF in the algorithm selection box, which is the newly defined peeling algorithm by the developer. If the functions provided by the developer do not comply with the syntax, Spade will return the corresponding compilation errors to the frontend for the developer to view. We also provide several features for moderators to manually investigate. Moderators can enter the IDs of vertices or edges to specifically inspect suspicious users and transactions in the transaction network. This concludes the overall introduction of this demo. Thank you.